all the things that I am looking for. I don't think that I'm painting the picture you want to frame. What should I be so entitled for you to know my name? Sun up, sun down, doesn't matter, it's all the same. My personal prison, making a living, Groundhog Day. I can't speak, it's not me, it's not yours. I hate all the things that I am looking for.
Hi, hello, my name is Jade, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. Today is Christmas Eve for you guys. Not for me yet, though. I actually started this vlog, I just didn't do an intro. We made Muddy Buddies earlier. I just went and saw Hannah for a little bit. We went and talked. It was nice to see her. Now I'm going to stuff the dog's stockings. I'm out of breath because I just walked up the stairs. We got them these little stockings from Walmart. I'm looking at them and they say True Level 2, but we could not find a True Level 5, so they like soft toys, so I think they're gonna like these. I know that they're already in stockings, but we have their own stockings, so we're just gonna fill them up. I don't know which one should be which. Honestly, it doesn't really matter because they're both gonna play with the toys together. But this way I can also take off these annoying little tags. These like, hold on, let me show you. It's stuck. These like, you see these like, those things? These scare me because I don't want them to get down my dog's throat. I know you're not supposed to take them out with your teeth, but I don't have anything else to take them out with right now. Normally, Toby always gets the reindeer because when he was a puppy, he had a reindeer and it was a red reindeer and it was his baby. I called it his baby and he used to carry it around and protect it. And it was the cutest thing in the world. But then when we got Sprocket, Sprocket kept taking it from him. So Toby wanted nothing to do with it. So I'm going to stick the reindeer and Toby's. I think I'm just going to mix and match. It doesn't really matter. So the reindeer will go in his. This twisty guy will go in. This is Sprocket's. I think this is Sprocket's. And this is Toby's. I could be wrong. It doesn't really matter. And a green ball. We're going to put this one in Toby's. Put in the toe. Then we got this guy. I like that. I like the feeling of this. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna stick the rest of those in Toby's. So Sprocket only got one out of Toby's. That means that Toby will only get one out of Sprocket's. So we're kind of mix and matching. But honestly, when they get these, they're gonna play with them both. Like, it doesn't really matter whose is whose. So here's Sprocket. He gets a little Santa. Santa goes in his. And then this little guy will go in Toby's. Perfect. All stuffed and ready. And Sprocket has a little ball. Let's go. Yeah, let me actually take this out. I'm going to put this at the toe. Put this guy at the bottom of the foot. This guy right there, and right here. Maybe we'll have Santa. Look. Santa's little red hat sticks out the top. Alright, that's Sprockets. Now that I made Sprockets really cute, let's fix Toby's. So Toby's is cute. Okay, so that's the foot. That goes there, that goes here, that goes here. Little reindeers. Look at that. Isn't that cute? There's my boys' stockings already. Now I'm just gonna, I need to wash my hair, so I'll probably do that. Just hang out. Chad's playing games with his friends, and yeah, we need to. I don't know if we're gonna paint ornaments today or tomorrow. I have them all made, so we just need to paint them. I really, really want to watch Jack Frost with him, so we'll see if I can get him to watch Jack Frost with me either today or tomorrow. But happy, merry Christmas Eve to you guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Christmas Eve is my favorite day because Christmas Eve is the day that my family and I always like did everything together. Like, that's the day that we opened all of our presents from our family. That was the day that we like finished doing cooking. That's the day that we got all pretty together. That's the day we all hung out and we had the most fun. We always had little sandwiches and little meats and cheeses and stuff. And then Christmas morning, you woke up and that's when you open your stocking, and that's when you opened Christmas presents from Santa. Now, I'm not really sure why we did that. I'm pretty sure it's a German tradition, and my family's German, or we have roots in German. My original last name is actually German. Like, my maiden last name is a town in Germany, or that's, so I have always been told. Is that still true? I have no idea, but yeah. I like that tradition. I have so far kept it going with my husband, other than the little sandwiches. We don't do that. Or we haven't done it yet. I would love to. That's always fun, but so far it's just my husband and I on Thanksgiving. New Year's, oh my goodness, Christmas Eve, and the boys, and I like it that way. And then Christmas Day, we just all hang out together in pajamas all day. Just relax, play with the like presents we got. Alrighty, I'm gonna lay down because I don't feel very good. It's black, I think. Oh, it's like black and brown. It's speckled. Look. Do you think it's this one?
Yeah.
I don't know how to say that.
Mahogany obsidian.
Mahogany obsidian, useful in stabilization practices, helps to promote feelings of strength and vitality.
There we go.
What'd you get?
Another one of these.
Another one. At least he's a different color this time. He's got purple on him. Okay, 19.
The box is falling apart.
I don't know, see. This one looks like another just rock.
Obsidian?
Again, though?
It's all black.
I have one that looks exactly like this, though. He looks like a turtle. I kind of just want to open them all tonight. Good lord, another quartz? Like another quartz. See, look.
Nice.
No. Look, he's pretty! Alright, 21. Oh, it's Dalmatian Jasper. Look, it's Dalmatian. This one helps to lower inhibitions. I think promotes joy with a protected, grounded space. Nice. Should we just open all of them? We have 3 left. Kind of. Okay, we're gonna open all of them because we keep forgetting. Ready. Alrighty. 22. You gonna open all of yours too? It's another Dalmatian Jasper.
Which one's next? 22?
Yeah. Okay, here's another one. Not this one. 23. Look, it's blue. Look. It's solder light. I like the color. 24. This is Christmas Eve night.
I spent a long time at the bar.
I got selenite. Like selenite.
Ooh. That looks like the green one upstairs.
Your mom got me that one upstairs. The potent cleansing stone helps remove outside energies from stones and users.
Take the last. There's one of them.
One of them. We got this one already, but here's one of them. Advent. How was your first Advent?
It's fun.
You like it? You're gonna do it again next year?
Yeah.
Maybe we won't, like, open them all up before we're supposed to.
What color do you want? Red or yellow?
Yellow.